We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the Cool Ant Energy Hat, embroidered cap for gifts for ant women, birthday gift for ant, adjustable baseball hat from the 68 Elder Rooter store. If you own this hat, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Cool Ant Energy Hat is designed with a clear purpose: to celebrate the fun, supportive, and stylish role that ants play in our lives. This hat is marketed as a thoughtful and unique gift for ants, whether for birthdays, holidays, or simply as a token of appreciation. The design features high-quality embroidery with the playful phrase, "Cool Ant Energy," making it an instant conversation starter and a statement piece for any casual outfit. The hat is available in a range of attractive colors, all of which are described as true to the images provided by the manufacturer. The embroidery is consistently praised for its durability and neatness, ensuring that the message remains vibrant and intact even after extended use. One of the standout features of this hat is its construction. Unlike more rigid, structured baseball caps, the Cool Ant Energy Hat adopts a relaxed dad-style silhouette. This means the hat is intentionally floppy, offering a more laid-back look that many users find appealing. The relaxed structure allows the hat to be easily packed into a bag or suitcase without worrying about it losing its shape or becoming damaged. This makes it an excellent choice for travel, outdoor activities, or simply tossing into a tote bag for a day out. The lightweight fabric contributes to the overall comfort, making the hat suitable for extended wear in various settings. Adjustability is another key aspect of the Cool Ant Energy Hat. The back of the hat features an adjustable strap, allowing wearers to customize the fit to their head size. Reviewers consistently mention that the strap is easy to use and tucks away neatly, preventing any loose ends from flapping around. This attention to detail enhances both the comfort and the aesthetic appeal of the hat. The fit is generally described as accommodating, with users noting that it sits comfortably on the head without feeling too tight or too loose. This versatility in sizing makes the hat a suitable gift for a wide range of recipients, regardless of age or personal style. The fabric of the hat receives high marks for its softness and durability. Users appreciate that the material feels gentle against the skin, reducing the likelihood of irritation during prolonged wear. At the same time, the fabric is sturdy enough to withstand regular use, including being crumpled or packed away. The brim of the hat is described as being wide enough to provide effective sun protection without appearing oversized or awkward. This balance between functionality and style is a recurring theme in user feedback, with many reviewers highlighting the hat's practicality for outdoor events, family outings, and everyday errands. The aesthetic appeal of the Cool Ant Energy Hat is a major draw for many buyers. The combination of vibrant colors, quality embroidery, and the playful slogan makes the hat a standout accessory. Several reviewers mention that the hat has become a favorite item in their wardrobe, often attracting compliments and sparking conversations. The phrase "Cool Ant Energy" resonates with recipients, reinforcing their identity as a cherished and fun-loving family member. This emotional connection adds significant value to the product, making it more than just a simple piece of headwear. In terms of gifting, the Cool Ant Energy Hat is frequently described as a perfect present for aunts of all ages. Whether the recipient is a new aunt, a seasoned family member, or someone who plays an aunt-like role in a child's life, the hat serves as a meaningful and practical gift. Many users share stories of giving the hat to sisters, friends, or relatives, all of whom were delighted by the thoughtful gesture. The hat's universal appeal and inclusive sizing make it a safe choice for gift-giving occasions, eliminating the guesswork often associated with selecting apparel. The product's performance in real-world scenarios is consistently positive. Users report that the hat holds up well to regular wear, maintaining its shape, color, and embroidery quality over time. The adjustable strap remains secure and the fabric resists pilling and fading. The hat's lightweight construction makes it suitable for warm weather, while the relaxed fit ensures comfort even during extended periods of use. Reviewers also appreciate the hat's versatility, noting that it pairs well with a variety of casual outfits, from jeans and t-shirts to sundresses and activewear. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are a few minor drawbacks to consider. Some users note that the floppy, unstructured design may not appeal to those who prefer a more rigid, traditional baseball cap. The relaxed fit, while comfortable for most, might not provide the same level of support or shape retention as more structured hats. Additionally, the hat's lightweight fabric, while comfortable, may offer less protection against wind or rain compared to heavier materials. However, these concerns are relatively minor and do not detract significantly from the overall user experience. The Cool Ant Energy Hat is also praised for its ease of care. The fabric can be spot cleaned as needed, and the hat retains its shape even after being packed or stored for extended periods. The embroidery remains intact and the colors do not bleed or fade with normal cleaning. This low-maintenance aspect adds to the hat's appeal, especially for busy individuals who value convenience and durability in their accessories. Customer reviews consistently highlight the hat's role in fostering positive family relationships. By acknowledging the unique contributions of aunts, the hat serves as a symbol of appreciation and affection. Recipients often express pride in wearing the hat, viewing it as a badge of honor that celebrates their special role within the family. This emotional resonance is a key factor in the hat's popularity, setting it apart from more generic or impersonal gifts. The overall impression of the Cool Ant Energy Hat is overwhelmingly positive. Users appreciate the combination of style, comfort, and thoughtful design, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking a unique and meaningful gift for an aunt. The hat's relaxed fit, quality materials, and eye-catching embroidery ensure that it will be a cherished accessory for years to come. The product's strong performance, ease of use, and low-maintenance care further enhance its value, making it a practical and stylish addition to any wardrobe. In conclusion, the Cool Ant Energy Hat from the 68 El de Ruyter store stands out as a top-rated gift for aunts, offering a blend of comfort, style, and sentimentality that resonates with users. Its relaxed, dad-style fit, adjustable strap, high-quality embroidery, and vibrant colors make it both practical and visually appealing. The hat's universal sizing and lightweight construction ensure a comfortable fit for a wide range of wearers, while its playful slogan and durable materials guarantee lasting enjoyment. Whether given as a birthday present, holiday gift, or spontaneous token of appreciation, the Cool Ant Energy Hat is sure to delight recipients and reinforce the special bond between aunts and their loved ones. If you have experience with this product, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.